What are we doing?
Well, we are back with Cooking Couple, so...
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been so long. Kind of forgot.
Sorry, guys.
Are we even a couple? We still cook?
Well, we're still definitely a couple, last I checked. And we still cook. So... anyway, so...
So, we
Cooking Couple
are...
returns. And we are, surprise, surprise, doing something Italian.
Summer. Italiano. Sì, sì.
Sì, bene.
Mi amore.
So, what are we doing for the food portion?
So, for food, we are going to be making bruschetta.
Bruschetta?
I say bruschetta.
Bruschetta?
Bruschetta.
Bruschetta. Alright, so
But I feel like it's controversial, like,
So,
no, you know.
bruschetta
Well, okay.
what?
So we're doing this bruschetta situation. Shout out to MK for introducing us or recommending a place in Rome. She said it was the best bruschetta ever. She wasn't lying. And I recreated it when we got back from Rome a couple years ago now. So we're gonna be doing that whole situation because like everyone needs this bruschetta in their life because it's legit amazing and it is seriously the easiest. It's perfect for entertaining or just two people because you can make as little or as much as you want. You can customize toppings.
I want as much.
We know that. Anyways, you pretty much just like throw everything on a plate and like you're good to go. You can like, and it's good. It's like a light meal, or you can add other things onto it and have it as just like an app. You need it in your life.
Well, you sold me, so good. Start cooking. I'm ready to eat.
Oh my. But first we always need the drinks.
I know, the drink
while
the
we
drink.
cook.
That is true. We gotta drink while we cook. And so what I'm gonna be doing is talking, but we'll also be making a drink. And everyone loves an Aperol Spritz in the summertime. I know you do. I do. Hey.
I'm sorry, I'm messing with your
So we're doing an Aperol Spritz, except because it's hot out and everyone loves also frozen drinks, I'm going to do a frozen Aperol Spritz. So, you ready?
I mean, it's hot. We don't have air conditioning.
No
so
air
like
conditioning.
If you see, like, it's not makeup. We're not glowing. It's not glistening like good tan, like highlighter.
What?
It's just we don't have air conditioning. So I thought like I need you to get on that drink ASAP because I'm sweating in here.
What? Okay. All right. Well.
Okay.
On to make the drinks.
You're gonna make the drink. What was that?
I don't know. Anyway, all right. So we're at my little drink station here, aka you shoving me into the back corner of the kitchen.
Nobody puts baby in a corner.
Nobody.
Unless they're making drinks.
Unless they're making drinks. So it's very simple. So for this Aperol Spritz, frozen Aperol Spritz, we're going to be using some white wine, Aperol, and then we got a little bubbly to just put on top as a floater, and you just need some ice and sorbet.
I'm just waiting on this drink. Just sweating to death over here and no air conditioning.
Goodness me. I found this one. It's
There we go.
it's Tangelo, so that's orange. So if you can find orange sorbet.
Tangelo, you're so bougie.
I know. So anyway, this drink's really easy to make. So you only need to really know that what you're doing is doubling each thing because you're making two drinks. So
Higher math.
higher math. So for this, you're gonna do, if you're making this for yourself solo, you only need 1 scoop. But since we're making it for 2 people, because I know, no one wants to drink alone, you.
Wow, okay.
We're doing 2 scoops.
Wouldn't you call me out?
I'll just do a little extra.
I mean, I'd basically do 2 scoops for myself.
But then it throws off the balance.
Hold please, we're having an ice situation.
Alright, so for ice cubes, if you're making this drink for yourself, you only need 3. But we're gonna do 6 ice cubes. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, look at that! You can count to 6! I'm so impressed.
Sesame Street taught me well. So I already have it pre-measured out, but this is actually 3 ounces of white wine. You can also use rosé. So toss that in, and then for the Aperol, half ounces of that, and then let's blend it up. All right, so we got everything blended up. Now the real fun part. So last I checked.
No, don't do that to me.
Hey! Crisis averted. No one was hurt.
You almost killed me.
You're fine.
I'm death by bubbly is, I guess, not the worst way to go.
I'm gonna say.
But death by bubbly because of your husband.
Dun dun dun.
Give me my drink.
All right. Anyway, so I'm just gonna do another quick little blend to make sure everything's really liquefied.
I don't think we can hear you over the blender.
So that's the consistency that you should want your drink. So new glassware.
New vintage glassware. Here,
Vintage.
bring it over here so we can see.
Oh yeah, sorry. How dare me. So I'm gonna just do a little bit like that. Whoops, making a mess.
Cute spoon in the background.
Had to clean up the champagne explosion. So now that we've got that, and if you want to come in here a little closer, I'll just clear some of this back. But we got our cocktails, and now just a little topper. Just like that. Nice and fizzy. Nice and fizzy. And there you go. And now,
Which way? Where are you going?
right here.
Hold on. There we go.
All right, so
Oh god, I can't do this.
yes, you can. Come on. There you go. Frozen Aperol spritz.
Cheers.
Cheers. And you're still alive.
Cheers. Barely. Love it.
So good you could almost die for it, right?
All right. Survived champagne bottle accident.
Check.
Catastrophe. Check. Cocktail. Check. Hair up because it's getting too hot. Check. Let's get on to the food. Right?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh my gosh. All right. So, I pre-toasted the bread. This is a sourdough. Technically, you want to use Italian because you know it's like an Italian recipe, but sourdough works. And then you grill it, a little olive oil, grill it, or you can put it on a baking sheet and bake it at 400, 450 for like 5-10 minutes till it's golden brown. The key is to really get the olive oil like on there. Look at this. Look at all that oil. It's key, I'm telling you. All right, so now, why are you just holding the bread?
I don't know.
So we're gonna just layer some bread on our serving tray. However many pieces
Do I get to
you
eat
want.
a piece of bread?
No, you don't. Okay, so as far as toppings go, you kind of want to always make sure you have, you want to make sure you have a mozzarella, basil, a tomato, and then a lettuce. From there, you can kind of pick and choose and customize. As you can see, like for tomatoes, I've got these little tiny gems. How cute are they? And then also chopped up an heirloom tomato. For lettuce, we've got some arugula, and then this heirloom radicchio. How gorgeous is that? But you can use regular radicchio, you can use butter lettuce, little gem, whatever you want. And then we're using these little baby mozzarella balls today. But you can also use regular mozzarella, rip it up into chunks. You can use burrata, very customizable. You must have basil though, that's a must. And then also we have marinated artichokes. Dave marinated those himself. You can use marinated mushrooms. You can do like sausage or pepperoni on there if you want. Also do spicy peppers. I will show you what I'm talking about. These babies, Calabrian chilies. I'm sure if you've been following me for a while, you see that we put them on almost everything. You can also do like sauteed onions, sauteed garlic. You could do olives. I mean, honestly, the options are endless, which is why this dish is so amazing. Anyways, let me stop talking and let's get down to business. So we've got our bread on the platter. Let's see how we're gonna do this. All right, and then basically, we're just gonna start layering things on, as one does.
So what are you putting on now that
Alright,
we've
so
talked about
now-
my artichokes?
Now we're shredding on some basil. Make sure you put on the basil flowers. That's where the flavor is actually most potent.
Really?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I did not know that. Learn something new every day.
I was just gonna say that.
Wow.
Wow, it's like I know you.
I don't know. Are we still a couple?
I don't know, are we?
Last I checked.
All right, the mozzarella. We're just gonna place these throughout. The more the better, because who doesn't like lots of mozzarella? Again, this doesn't have to be fancy. There's no real like science to it. It's kind of just like, you know, haphazardly layering things, however you see fit. And then let's do some of these little cutie tomatoes.
So colorful.
I know, look at how little. Mm. And then if you want, I mean, you can always, if you feel like it needs a little more basil or lettuce on top, whatever you feel like it needs. But otherwise, it's good to go. Easy peasy breezy.
Looks
See?
great.
See?
See. Wow, you finished your drink really quick.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You were making the salad the whole time. How did you
I don't know how this
finish it?
happened. I think you accidentally drank mine.
Wow.
I think I'm gonna need another one though.
I
It's
guess
like it
so.
looks like someone drank it.
Yeah, I
It's
wonder.
gone.
I wonder.
Oh my god. All right. So drinks. Wait, let me put that down.
Yeah, good idea.
Bruschetta. Drink. Why am I like? What am I like? A
We're not filming a
salesman?
boomerang. Yeah, like, are you like Vanna White? Can I buy a vowel?
Bruschetta. Aperol spritz.
Frozen
See?
Aperol spritz.
Excuse
You know,
me.
we gotta
Alright.
do it right.
You know what? I
now.
can only hold this for so long.
All right.
I gotta get back to drinking.
I guess so, and I gotta get to eating, so works out.
Cheers!
Cheers, guys.
Or as they say in Italian,
Salute!
salute!